What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add expense in Zoho Books. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Zoho Books and then you will be redirected to Zoho Books homepage or you can say landing page. And then after that, if you are new to Zoho, just sign in with your email and password and then enter your organization's name and after that you can use the trial of 14 days and after signing or logging in you will be welcome to the homepage of Zoho Books. Now to create an expenses on the right side you can see this plus button of quick create. Click on that and then under the purchases section you can see the option of expenses. Click on that and now from here this is the date and enter your expense account like whatever the expenses you have got and after that enter the amount which is tax inclusive or tax exclusive. You need to choose. If it is tax inclusive, click on tax inclusive, or if it's tax exclusive, click on tax exclusive. Then you have to select by which medium that you have paid to this expense, like by cash or by any other bank transfer or what, and then select a tax. If you have no tax, you can just create a new tax by clicking on new tax and then enter the details of this tax and then click on save. And after that, choose the vendor. If you have the recent vendors you want to pay, you can just select them. Or if you don't have a vendor, click on new vendor and then you can add the vendor details here, like the primary contact number, the company name, the display name, the email address of that vendor, the phone number or the mobile number. Here is the tax rate, company ID, currency, and all of these details. And here are the address, custom fields, reportings, and many more details you can add about the vendor. And the reference number you want to add, you can add it. And here are the notes section if you want to add any note or if you want to upload any files, click on upload your files and then you can upload the files from your computer and then add the customer name. If it is on the recent list, you can just select it. If you don't have anything or the customer that you're looking for, click on new customer and then enter the details of that customer. And when you are done, just simply click on save and then your expenses had been added on the Zoho Books. So when I just cancel it, you can see all expenses under my all expenses section. My expenses of 120 euros has been added. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.